If you're wondering what new laws go into effect on July 1st, here are 6 to be aware of. House Bill 1201, spaying and neutering pets before adoption. A vet can override this in certain situations. Otherwise, before you adopt a pet, it must be spayed and neutered. Senate Bill 141, changing language about gangs. In every instance in Indiana law, the phrase criminal gang has to be replaced with criminal organization. Senate Bill 154, more money for fallen Indiana National Guard members. Families currently get up to $4,000 from the state for funeral expenses. It will now go up to $8,800. House Bill 1019, how police body cams are released. And Senate Bill 14, potential penalties for child crimes, giving harsher penalties. House Bill 1337, preventing abortions based on race, sex, or a potential disability. This one got many women to call Governor Mike Pence's office to discuss the details of their periods in the Periods for Pence movement. Once news spread about the bill, it was met with backlash, and not just locally. But Governor Pence has defended why he signed it into law. And you can read more details on all of these in the article below.